Greetings! Today we are making delicious candies. We need 2 to 3 bananas, we also need about 150 grams of crackers or cookies to give our sweet shapes. If you do not have cookies or crackers, you can try 150 grams of bread. This option is also possible. Mash bananas with a fork, or use a blender. It is better to take bananas very ripe, so that we get a more homogeneous mass, without lumps. Take a bag and put our cookies in it. And also, a question, do you also have a package with packages at home? Break the cookies into small pieces, so that it would be more convenient for us in the future. Take a rolling pin, or use an ordinary glass bottle, and crush the cookies so that there are as few whole pieces as possible. Blender as an option. Mix crushed bananas with a mass of cookies. Ancient origins of sweet delights. Candies have a history dating back thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans enjoyed treats made from honey, fruits, and spices. Sugar, a key ingredient in modern candies, was a luxury item until its widespread availability in the 18th century, sparking the evolution of the sweet treats we enjoy today. We should get a relatively dry mass from our mixture. If we add too many bananas and too few biscuits, then our candies will spread across the plate. You can also put the candies in the freezer so that they keep their shape. If the resulting candies hold their shape, you can start decorating them. If not, put the candies in the freezer for 60 to 90 minutes before decorating them. decorate and improve the taste of our sweets, you can take cocoa, sesame seeds, chopped nuts and roll sweets into them. Write in the comments what is your recipe for similar dish. Write in the comments what is your recipe for similar dish. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. This means a lot to me.